Hi everybody, I'm Davonna, aka Dillinger Rose, the Fashion Superhero. Are you interested in being a fashion stylist? Not sure of what you need to bring along on your jobs? Hopefully I can help. Dillinger Rose to the rescue. Today's topic is what needs to be in a fashion stylist kit. First, the basic must-haves. Okay, first we have a lint brush. This is used to get any small dust particles or anything may be attached to the fabric, just to clean it off a little bit. We have double stick tape. You will need double stick tape and one-sided tape just to maybe put on the soles of your shoes to keep them clean. Double stick tape is more so to keep like a belt attached to the garment to make sure it's not flip-flopping or the extension is not out of place, and also just to keep wardrobes tacked to place. If there's like a collar, if there's something attached to the bust, you want to keep everything in place. You also need like a sewing kit, and the sewing kit will have pre-threaded needles sometimes, different colors of yarn and thread. You'll need scissors, a measuring tape. All those things come in handy when going on a stylish shoot. Another thing you want to keep is something to remove any stains on the garment. Sometimes you'll want to get a Tide brush stick or any things like these just to keep stains off of your garments. Binder clips in all different sizes come in handy just to keep, it's like a quick little fix to keep everything tucked in and tailored right and correctly. It might be useful to hold curtains back, whatever you need. Binder clips will be that good thing to keep along with you. A makeup cover hood or some kind of scarf is good also when models are taking on and off garments. You don't want to damage any garments that you may have to take back or reuse and get makeup all over it. So a little scarf is good to keep handy to put over the artist's face. Right here we have bra extender clips. These are good to make sure that all the bra straps are adjustable so that it will fit multiple sizes of models that they come in. Also, another thing to bring along, which may be already at the shoot, but just to be prepared, you'll have a portable iron or some type of portable steamer to bring along, as well as small little hangers as well. Another thing I have here is a shoehorn, and this also just helps to keep everything moving fastly. You stick this in the shoe, easy to get your shoe on and off. And I hope these tips are helpful for you for your journey in becoming a fashion stylist. You can find more fashion tips and fashion information at drfashionsuperhero.com. Thank you.